Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are diving into how to design a stunning modern house entrance. We will cover everything from sleek materials and minimalist design to perfect lighting and color schemes. Whether you are updating your current entrance or planning a new one, our tips will help you create a stylish and functional focal point for your home. Subscribe now and join us for more expert advice and design inspiration. Designing a modern house entrance sets the tone for the entire home and creates a first impression that reflects the style and functionality of the space. A modern entrance should be characterized by clean lines, minimal decoration, and use of contemporary materials. By focusing on simplicity, thoughtful material choices, effective lighting, and a cohesive color palette, you can create an inviting and stylish entrance that enhance both the aesthetic appeal and practicality of your home. Here are some tips to design your own entrance of your home. Let's get started. Number 1 point is simplicity. Aim for a clean and straightforward design. Avoid ornament details or complex patterns. The entrance should have a minimalist feel. Ensure the entrance is practical and easy to use without adding unnecessary features. Next point is materials. In materials, you can use glass, steel, and stone. In glass, incorporate large glass panels or doors to create an open and air feel. Glass can make the entrance look brighter and more welcoming. You can also use steel for elements like door frames or railings. Steel gives a modern industrial look and is durable. You can use stone. Choose natural stones such as granite or slate for a touch of elegance. Stone can be used for the steps, wall, or as a decorative elements. Next point is lighting. You can use lighting on the pathways or to highlight something. Install lighting fixtures to accentuate the entrance. For example, place wall-mounted lights or spotlights to highlight architectural features. Place small lights along the walkway to illuminate the path and make the entrance softer and more inviting. Choose modern lighting designs such as geometric shapes or simple pendant lights that fit with the overall style of the entrance. In the next point, you have to focus on the doors. Select a large simple door with a minimalist design. This could be a solid door with smooth lines or a door with glass panels to add a modern touch. You can use materials like solid wood, glass, or metal. The doors should complement the style of the house while being functional and secure. Use sleek modern handles and hinges that blend seamlessly with the door design. Choose hardware that enhance the overall look without being overly decorative. In the next point, you have to pick a colors. Stick to a neutral color such as white, grey, beige or teak color. These colors create a clean and a modern appearance. If desired, add a small pop of color with items like a bright colored door or a unique doormat. But keep it minimal to maintain the modern aesthetics. Number 6 point is landscaping. Keep the landscaping around the entrance tidy and well organized. Use simple straight lines and avoid clutter. Choose low maintenance plants that fit the modern style, such as succulents or ornamental grasses. Use planters with clean lines and neutral colors. For any garden beds or borders, choose materials that complement the house, such as gravel or neat trimmed hedge. Number 7 point and last point is pathway. You have to focus on the pathway. Create a direct straight pathway leading from the street or driveway to the entrance. Avoid winding or overlay complex paths. Use modern materials like concrete slab, stone pavers or decorative gravel. Ensure the pathway material matches or complements the house exterior. Define the edge of the pathway with clean lines or simple borders to separate it from landscaping elements. This detailed approach will help you create a modern, functional and visually appealing entrance to your home. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have enjoyed exploring the elements of a modern house entrance with us. From selecting the right materials to incorporating stylish lighting and clean lines, every detail can make a big difference in creating an inviting and contemporary entrance. If you have any questions or thoughts, we have loved to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, inspiration and design ideas. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive into another exciting aspect of modern home design. Thanks again for joining us, and we will see you very soon.